So we got a nice little corner here. Blade on the edge. It looks like it's gonna be a wire strip. No? Oh!
Woo!
Nice,
Baby.
okay. It's a corner cutter.
Yeah, it was nice.
That was
Oh,
good.
the stopper. To find the cinder.
What?
To find the cinder on your piece of wood, you
Ah,
can use this kind of technique.
That's smart. Yeah, nice.
Well,
Oh,
that's-
baby! Okay. So we got a coin. We're gonna use money here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's as a stopper for your shelves. Okay.
Oh,
You also
yeah,
have
you
those
can-
little wooden things as well. the
Yeah,
pegs.
yeah. What a waste of money.
I mean, I don't know
Price.
if you're living it up in Beverly Hills and you can afford it, do it.
I don't know. Or maybe if you want to hide some cash.
That's
it's,
true. Yeah.
It's a way.
Just 50 cents.
Just, you know,
I'm saving this for a candy bar next month.
in one day. Oh.
I mean, now it's.
Before
I felt
was-
like before was
yeah.
better because it looked more genuine.
At least you can paint it after. I guess. What was that for?
Ooh.
Okay. Oh, to make the nice secure connection as
Yes.
well, and all this line to keep it
Is
there.
it-
There.
That's
in
the
place.
puffy. Yes, the cement replacement. Nice.
That's what we test as well.
Looks good. Looks pretty strong.
Yeah.
Nice. He likes it.
Approved.
Approved. Archie 5 approved content.
Yeah.
Okay. That's nice.
That's nice. That's all.
Wow. I don't know why, but for some reason it just looks tasty to me. I want to put it in my mouth.
Okay. We need to eat, right?
We gotta eat something.
Yeah.
Why not cement? No, don't eat cement.
No.
Unless you really want to. No, don't eat cement.
No commercial. Okay.
Okay. Got a nice little cut.
Do nice. Have a nice. Okay.
Is it gonna be a good break though?
Yeah. To fill it in that hole which he made before. You know.
Looks a little rough.
Beautiful.
Ooh. Oh! Nice. Not too bad. The paint's a little bit of a different color, and it does have a bulge.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
Ah,
Oh.
interesting. So it's you can make thinner.
No, if you can take out any nails
nail,
around, yeah. So you can use this drill to destroy.
Understood.
Oh.
Wow, this is dangerous.
What?
Got some roulette here.
Yeah. What?
That's
what
cool.
a gun. It's like screwdriver gun.
I like how it's like
Yeah.
John Wick.
Nice.
All right, so we got some little razor blades. I would be more careful.
Work cutter.
And it's a tiny little wire cutter. They love their wire strippers. Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh.
Nice. Okay. Wow.
That's a match.
Yeah. It's always tricky to, if your wall is banded and some design like so,
Absolutely.
to put any carpet on it. It's okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. Is it a special tool? Toy.
Oh.
Toy.
All right.
She's an icon. Okay, they're
Okay,
gluing.
we
That's
should-
that's just ruining it, though, isn't it? Like that's just ruining.
Don't tell
the
me
drill.
she's gonna sharpen a knife with that.
She gonna.
Is she? No, just gonna.
She's sanding the
gonna
board.
sand some
I
wood.
think it should be easy to peel it off.
Yeah.
It's a glue gun and
You think so?
Exactly. Yeah, of course. Of
I thought
course.
glue's, it's pretty
But
sticky.
it's hot glue.
Yeah, exactly. So,
All right. Just a normal hole and some hot glue.
why not just splooge for a
Screwdriver.
a screwdriver?
All right.
Phillips
Not
said-
the first thing I would do, but I guess it works.
Oh, I broke your dang key.
Happens to me every day.
I do that all the time.
Now, Skeeter, come down.
Skeeter.
glue gun.
Okay.
Yeah, glue gun sticks, man.
Okay.
All
Yeah.
right.
Wow.
So that's pretty useful. actually.
Eureka!
That's handy. I like that.
Take it.
All right, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. All right. Just nifty little blotch of glue.
Okay.
Paint it red.
Paint the glue. Yeah.
But why is it red? Are his other
Oh, he's
buttons
making a
red?
button.
Are the other buttons red?
I don't think so, but asymmetry is the trend now. So
Well, they're kind of red.
I feel like it wouldn't work that
Oh
well though.
no, his cutter broke.
How did it break like that? He like cut his cutter
I don't know.
perfectly.
Careful. That must be hot now.
Really?
Alright, yeah, that's it.
How can you tell, Doc?
Well, you see, it's actually those things around the...
What?
And it does work.
It does work.
Alright.
It still could be dangerous.
Oh,
Archie, you did this, right?
we tried
Yeah, it
this.
is.
Yeah, did it work?
It
Of
works.
course it works.
Okay. But did the glue stick on the car?
Well,
No,
here's
no,
glue.
no, it's flat. But if you're gonna use some, stick remover, it could be removed.
Ah, okay. That's handy.
Go.
Because he just like popped it off, and I would expect there to be like some paint damage.
Some residue.
Yeah.
Well, maybe only on Monday.
What are you doing? That looks so good. What? It just. Oh, okay.
What? Oh.
Ah.
What is
I know
happening? I
this
don't get it.
one.
I haven't reached
Just
the
watch it,
aha.
just watch it.
Oh!
It's very smart.
That's really smart, yeah. That's really
Next
cool.
week, I expect you to carry a box of matches with a bit of glue on them. On
Okay.
each match, alright?
Yeah, okay.
Alright. Good stuff.
That cat has really cool eyes.
Alright.
But it's a fuzzy
Fuzzy cat.
cat.
Fuzzy cat.
Fuzzy cat.
Fuzzy cat, what are they feeding you?
I'm with you guys.
Alright.
Repair!
Oh,
We got some cement bags. What are we doing to them?
Oh, that was nice. Use a saw to cut it off.
Okay.
Nice. Oh, and this nice.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, you can roll little tapey things, but why?
I don't know why, but I just want to make it.
That's cool. You can heat up the screw and then it won't break the wood. Neat. Okay.
Okay, what is this for?
A thimble on the end of a soldering thing. Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
to make some perfect holes.
That seems like a waste of resources, but okay. You can also use like a long, what do you call it, screwdriver?
Yeah.
And pour it down the screwdriver.
Yeah, true. So it's just to get a shape.
Wow, that was a fast little transition there. It kind of gave me a heart attack.
A lot of things happening fast here.
Yeah.
When-
Okay, so we're cutting through this plastic pipe. Cutty cut. Engagement ring. Maybe. I don't know.
You're thinking they upset about
Ah!
engaging rings.
Wire management
uh-huh.
is what it's all about. Tube management.
So yeah. Oh,
Instead of getting your fingers dirty, you can use a paper. That's pretty good.
yeah.
I guess so.
Looks practical, right?
Okay, so we got a wire. We're using the wire in a soldering tool
For what?
for hard to reach.
But it's very poor soldering, honestly.
Wow. Okay, this comes from the professional solderer himself.
Exactly.
Archie.
Yeah. It could be better.
Okay, we're bending this. We're bending
Oh.
that.
We're bending everything. I mean, it's
Give your brush a haircut to get in between the crevices. All right.
and it worked.
I feel like you could probably do it with a normal brush too, but let's not talk about that.
Yeah. Let's keep it as
Cut your blades.
to make a saw. Perfect.
Kind of cool. All right. So what are we doing here? Strong connection. It's like
I didn't get it.
it's like when you meet someone, you just have a strong connection.
That's kind of nice.
That's kind of nice. I like it. Hard to reach.
Warm it up.
Okay.
Use a glue gun stick.
I've seen this. This does not work.
Yeah, we tried this, and it's kind of work. I mean, generally it's unpractical. If
Yeah.
you need to unscrew some not very tighted screws, it could work, but not more than that. I mean, generally it doesn't.
You wouldn't normally use it as a craftsman or anything.
Yeah, but you know.
Give it a try
Yes.
yourself. Let us know. Did it work?
Exactly.
Okay. Okay. We got a little stock in here, so that basically stops it from making any marks. That's smart. Okay.
So,
Chopstick.
and then this will be a
Fan.
mixer.
Mixer. Nice. That's kind of
Oh.
cool.
Yeah.
Or it could be a fan in the summer.
No, I think it doesn't work.
No?
So, yeah, but as a mixer, nice. And kind of you can throw these.
Okay, looks kind of cool.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Crusher, I love it.
Okay, we got some holes in the wall.
Holes in the wall to make
Use the
them-
same piece of tape for the same measurements.
Yeah, exactly.
Who would have thunk it?
You know,
That's smart. You wouldn't actually think about it normally. I think like most people wouldn't. So, good job, guys. We're heating up this plastic with the heat gun.
okay, to seal it well.
Yeah.
And nice. That works. We tested it.
Yeah.
Nice. Mm-hmm. Some...
So we're taking the flint off of the lighter.
Yeah. Mhm.
And we're gonna use it to sharpen knives. Yeah.